Okay, so I just read about this nexus-cli that's trying to revolutionize how we connect to the internet. It's got me really curious.
Right? This whole idea of a global distributed prover network is wild. It's like uniting all our computers into one super brain for the web.
Exactly. And they're calling this the verifiable internet. Can you imagine? An internet where everything is accountable and verifiable?
I know, right? It's like a dream come true for cybersecurity. But how exactly do they achieve this, though?
Well, so they actually have testnets running already to build and evaluate this system. Who knew testing could sound so futuristic?
Yeah, they've had a few testnets before, and the next phases are rolling out quickly. It feels like they're moving at lightning speed.
And it's fascinating how easy they've made it to get started. Just a simple command to install the CLI, so user-friendly.
For sure. The whole idea of having a pre-compiled binary available makes it accessible for anyone. It's almost like they want everyone involved.
Totally. It's like they're saying, jump on board and be part of this revolution. And speaking of being part of it, did you see they encourage contributions?
Yeah, they have a contributor guide as well. That's incredible. It's really fostering a community vibe for developers.
I love that. It's like they're inviting people to not just use it, but to actively shape it. This could change everything.
Absolutely. And think about the implications. A more secure internet could mean less fraud and more transparency in online transactions.
Right? That gives me chills. It might also enable a new wave of applications we haven't even thought of yet.
Oh, for sure. I mean, think about decentralized apps. They could thrive in a verifiable internet, making everything more trustworthy.
And if they're pulling resources from a global network, it could completely change how we handle computation. No more heavy lifting on local machines.
Exactly. We might be looking at a situation where your device just needs to connect rather than process everything. That changes how we view hardware needs.
Hold on, that changes everything. So if all the heavy lifting is done in this distributed network?
Then we could potentially have a very lightweight device, making tech accessible to more people globally.
Whoa, I hadn't thought about it that way. It's empowering everyone with the power of computing.
And just imagine the potential for innovative projects. People with less technical know-how could still create powerful apps.
This is blowing my mind. It's like democratizing tech. Everyone could have a chance to contribute.
Exactly. It's not just about creating, but also how collaboratively we can build solutions for global issues.
Speaking of issues, the security landscape is so crucial. A verifiable internet could be a game changer in fighting cyber threats.
For sure. With verification as a core feature, it could really hold malicious entities accountable. That's a big deal.
Wait, seriously? So if accountability becomes a norm, could that actually reduce the number of cybercrimes?
Absolutely. It might not eliminate them completely, but reducing anonymity could deter a lot of would-be criminals.
Wow! So all this hinges on creating a community-driven accountable platform. It sounds idealistic but possible.
It does sound idealistic, but they've already made progress with those test nets. That's tangible evidence of the concept.
Right? And every step forward is like proving this vision. I love when theory meets reality.
And we're only at the beginning. It's going to be fascinating to see how this evolves over time.
Totally. Just thinking about what more they'll test and improve is exhilarating.
Plus, the opportunity for feedback from users could refine the entire experience of interacting with the network.
Exactly. It's like crowdsourcing the future of the internet. And who wouldn't want to be a part of this?
The real kicker is that as it grows, the possibilities will expand. It feels like a thrilling ride.
And the implications for everyday users. Just think about banking, e-commerce, and how they operate.
Right? A verifiable layer for those transactions could boost trust and participation. It's fascinating and crucial.
So if we pull all this together, we really could be looking at a new era of connectivity.
Yes, just imagine what that might look like in 5 or 10 years. The advancements alone.
It's mind-boggling, but I'm left wondering, what other unexpected benefits could this verifiable internet bring?
Oh wow, that's a thought to chew on. It could transform industries we even haven't considered yet.
Exactly. This conversation is just the tip of the iceberg of what's possible here.
For sure. It's exciting to think about all the changes to come. The future is definitely looking bright.